All right, so today's adventure, Brett and I yesterday, we went up to Lake Minnewanka, up and down the lake. Saw lots of fish, sounded lots of fish, didn't catch any, but we're gonna go back. It was beautiful. Check out this clip just of the lake. And then, because we didn't catch anything, we went back to our campsite, and there's a little pond there with a fountain in the middle, and I'm pretty sure I saw a pike. So we hopped in this dilapidated little boat. Brett had his little tiny GoPro, so the footage isn't that awesome, but check out these monsters that we caught in today's episode. Stay tuned. Oh, have you subscribed yet? And if not, what are you waiting for? At the end of the video, you'll see this or my face in a little circle up in the corner. You click that, you're subscribed. But let's get to those pike. Oh, I can't even lift them up, man. Oh,
he's a big fucker, man. Got some girth.
He's a duck eater. Oh yeah, he does. Look at that guy. Oh!
Nice.
I got no steel leader either.
He's gonna tow us around the lake here. That's crazy. I've never seen a pike do that.
Look at, oh, he's right on the edge of.
Oh, he's swallowed that.
Right, okay.
You not done yet?
Nope. And I'm soaked. Oh, Zooty's on the line.
Is he twisted?
It'll be a miracle if I get this guy in. My line is in his mouth.
Right.
Nope, not quite.
I'm not done yet. I got your rod.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, shit. Got your fucking hook, dude. That was a nice fish, dude.
Here. I put a steel leader on this time. Look at these guys jumping like they think they're trout.
Right? Watching the trout.
Whoa.
Watching the trout jump, they're going, I'm going to try that.
He's going to pull us in the fountain.
Oh no, I'm okay. Nice.
Paul B, baby. Yeah. All right. Fishing with Paul B, baby. Oh, there he goes this way now.
I'll pass the net to you guys.
Whoa, yeah. Yeah, we'll take the net for this one. I just caught an alligator. Duck eater. Okay.
That's good. Start. I had to turn that back on. New footage of the same fish.
Fishing with Paul B, baby.
Paddle boating with Paul B.
Ah!
Subscribe.
Hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? I don't do this for the fun. I do it for you. Yeah, right. Fish with Paul B, baby. Okay, you guys say, fishing with Paul B, baby. Yeah. All right, that was exciting. Those pike were huge. That little net, I'm glad those kids brought it out to us, or I'm not sure we would have landed that last one. But anyway, like I said in the video and when we started, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button. If you enjoy these videos, I'll keep them coming. Hit me up on Instagram, FishGawd, Gawd11. FishGawd11. Hit me up on Instagram. Look me up on Facebook. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe this video. And stay tuned because we are going to go up to Red Deer River and do some bull trout fishing. That'll be the next video. So we'll see you on the next one.
When you're fishing with Bobby, when you're fishing with Bobby, when you're fishing with Bobby.